up and try again.
Well, welcome to part 2, and it's going to be the best part because I'm in it.
That's right. So this is part 2 of the grand opening day of the Star Wars Galaxy's Edge 2019.
It's going to be my first chance of looking at it. They already seen it. But
this morning.
We'll see what it's like.
Yes. Look at the crowds are much lower right now than at 4 o'clock this morning. So it is 9:24. Big difference from just a few hours ago.
Hey, now I can say I've been here opening day.
Oh, yeah.
I've been here at 3 o'clock in the morning.
Here's something I didn't notice this morning. The garbage cans. Look how cool they are.
They are so cool. That is a lot less crowded.
Yeah.
Ooh.
Oh yeah, that's the thing.
That's a speeder.
That's the thing. I didn't know what it was. So now that I'm with Scott, he says this is a speeder. That's the, I think that's the trader area. Oh, look at those cool things.
You gotta post some of this stuff. You don't.
That's a store in there. That one right there. Oh, but there's a line to get in now. Me and Sarah walked around in there. Me and Sarah just went right in.
Look at that.
Over there? I just thought of something.
I can't believe that. Hey.
What do you like? Do you like it?
That's impressive. You know, it doesn't do it justice on video or, you know, brochures or any of that. When you're standing next to it, it's something.
Yeah.
Make it look like
Yeah.
All the resistance.
Photo
I
op.
see more stormtroopers walking around.
I did see some this. So in our last video, this is where the stormtroopers were pacing back and forth. But since it was so dark, I did not get a chance to see this. One thing I will say, getting here in the morning, Sierra and I got as you saw in our previous video, we got the moof juice and a Coke, and we could have gotten anything for breakfast, and there was no line at all. How are you guys?
Good.
Oh.
I'm right here.
Open his eyes.
So they also have water bottle refill stations. Pretty neat. Instead of the water fountain.
Oh yeah, no, it's good.
Look, they have a resistance flag. $39.99.
Yeah.
$27.99. P.O X-Wing Fighter model kit. Oh, that's a lot of pieces. How much? $29.99. How about this bag? This is a nice canvas bag with patches. $45. Pretty good quality.
I've run into stormtroopers. They don't like it. Oh wow, that was
So $6.55 for this helmet.
some off